So I'm going to keep it short. Just one disclaimer I like to put out is on the spectrum of how introvert versus extrovert someone can be, I'm on the extreme end of introversion. Usually I like to drink no coffee and a little bit of alcohol before demos. I missed this calendar invite, so I drank too much coffee and no alcohol. So I hope you'll be as excited about this as I am by the end of the presentation. The website is integralhq.com. It's an AI native Slack alternative, I like to say. The mobile app is available on test flight. The desktop app is generally available for the past 4 weeks. There might be some bugs, but I'm just going to show it to you. The reason I've built this is because I've been a power user of group chats, whether on Slack, Discord, WhatsApp groups, and etc. I've built many communities since I was a kid. I've joined a lot of them. I think we join these social networks, whether it's a company, that's a social network, every company is a social network, or a group chat. We filter people in order to filter opportunities and insights. But the apps that we use for that are not designed for the current scale of communications. So you have human-to-human messaging apps that were designed for 20 people talking, but now you have 200 people, 2,000 people, and so on. So there are too many people sending too many messages, and no one person can process all of it, so we end up muting them. And the opportunity cost is ridiculous. So I think the future of communication between humans should be human to AI to humans, so that there's something in between filtering what you should see or who you should see, but giving you control over that selection so that you see the top 0.1% of everything instead of seeing everything. So this is Slack, and I'm sure all of you have some version of these. Too many channels, too many notifications, too many spaces. This is Integral. It's a desktop app, first and foremost. But you can see on the left side, maybe I'll make it a little bit bigger. You have one thing that's called Everything, that if you click on, you kind of get Slack mode. I wanted to call it Slack mode, but I thought that would be too passive aggressive. But so I call it Everything, where you see you have a feed, you have messages as you would expect, and other stuff I'll quickly show. But you have AI mode, which again shows you what's actually useful. So for notifications, for example, it reads all your notifications. It tells you which ones need action. Because maybe some notification is someone emoji reacted to something you say, and you don't really care about that. But another one might be someone actually DM'd you and they're waiting for you to do something. You can see and then you can actually create AI agents as a member that then you can add them within chat. And you can give them different purpose or different personalities. Right now, you can't kind of connect them to MCP to take external action, but I'm looking to ship that soon. You can see a bit of trend analysis. You can actually see automated categorization of everything, and then you can click which categories of all things in that workspace or community you care about, and then it gives you AI summaries of some of the most, engaged posts in that category. You get another thing, maybe I'll say that and then leave it, is that I notice everyone who uses Slack or Discord kind of uses it with some document sharing like Notion or Airtable or something. And again, having these things, I think is kind of, I don't like it. I find it annoying. So I've added some composability, meaning you can actually, this app could host your documents, gallery view of people, events and stuff as well if you'd like to. You can get documents here. There's an AI assistant that has access to all the conversations within that workspace that only you and the members can access it. No context sharing between organizations. I wouldn't train models on your data either. Events, you can create events for your members. You can kind of manage who your people are. You can have subgroup chats. And yeah, if you'd like to try it out, go to integralhq.com, download it. You'll be able to either create a workspace for your team or an online community. Thank you so much.